Guys, how do you read a commercial building inspection report or a property condition assessment or a commercial building assessment report or a capital needs assessment? How do we read these reports? I'm Britt from WBTreece Consultants and WBTC3.com. A good report, our reports, follows the same table of contents in the body of the report, the table of costs, and the photos. So a well-organized report has a table of contents you can follow top to bottom that's either numbered or lettered. I prefer numbered. That you can follow through all the photos, all the body language of the report, and all the costs that are written on the table. Then as you find something at 4.1 in the cost, you're able to find 4.1 in the body of the report and 4.1 in the photos, and it all makes sense because it all goes together. This is an excellent report. This is why we write the clearest reports into industry. Check us out at WBTC3.com for more. Thanks again.